Good day, Ma'am and Sir. My name is Luz Consuelo L. Gonzalez. I am 40 years old, single mother of 4 children, 2 daughters and 2 sons. And they are 20, 17, 15, and 12 years old. And I have 8 brothers and 2 sisters. And I am the youngest in the family. In my previous job, I work as a cook, a babysitter here in the Philippines for almost 5 years. My responsibilities and duties included cooking, cleaning, and taking care of children. I am a kind person, honest person, and a hardworking person. And I learn quickly, and I have a lot of patience, and I will do my best to fulfill all my duties and responsibilities, and will follow the rules and regulations. Thank you, Mom and Sir, in advance, and have a good day.